Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the SIM card from Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. In order to do this, we need to open the SIM tray, which is located on the left side of the device. And of course we want to use the pin ejector that is included inside the box of this device. Place the pin inside this hole over here, and then once you put it in, just push it so that you open the SIM tray slightly. And then you can use your fingers in order to take it out completely. There we go. I accidentally removed my SIM card already, but you can simply push it from the bottom over here. As you can see, it is empty in the middle of the SIM slot, so you can simply use your finger in order to take it out. I'm gonna put it back in just to showcase how it looks like. There we go. So if you have it in, you can simply push from the bottom like so, and of course be careful not to drop it somewhere and lose it. But essentially this is how we can remove the SIM card. Now we need to place the SIM tray back in, of course, match the circle of course that we used in order to open the SIM tray, and just put it back in with your finger. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!